freehighspeededucation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 10.1 in algebra 1, page 376. This chapter is an extremely important chapter, and so we are going to do many of its exercises. We are going to use the information in this chapter to graph functions later on. So we need to know everything in this chapter before we move to the coming chapters. Starting with the classroom exercises, and we start with number 2. Tell what point has the given coordinates. Number 2 minus 5 and 1, that will be point F in your diagram. Number 4, minus 4 and 0, and that will be point E. Number 6, minus 4 and minus 2, and that will be point G. Next, for each point, tell which number is the abscissa and which is the ordinate. Number 8, 1 for point C, 1 is the abscissa and 4 is the ordinate of that point. Now we move to the written exercises. Give the coordinates of each point. Number 2, point B, that's minus 1, minus 1. Point D, 3 and 4. Point F, 1 and minus 1. Point H, that will be minus 3 and minus 4. And now we move to the second section. Which points in the diagram above are in the given quadrant? Number 14, quadrant 2. The points that are in quadrant 2 are points C and M. And number 16, quadrant 4. The points in quadrant 4 are points E and F. The points that are located on the axes, such as point G, for example, or point N. G is minus 2 here, and point N is 1, 2, 3, minus 3 at this location. So 0 and minus 3. These points that are on the axes, they're not considered to be in any of the quadrants. They are simply called points on the axes. And with this, we come to the end of this session, and we hope to see you again.